Viewers, I likely to suggest some fewer points to our government so that they can come out of financial and economic crisis. Viewers, as you know, after 19th March, the summer session of Parliament is not happened, which is a disastrous news for Indian economy. They can implement Parliament session through video conferencing, and Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman must do one more amendment in income tax or in our Constitution Act to represent the union budget twice in a year after 6 months gap. Viewers, if two times budget introduced in Indian economy in a year, it can give more money and more stability to especially construction and machinery sector. At least 5 to 7% GDP comes from construction sector and rest from other sectors. If twice budget can introduce in an Indian history constitution, it will give more stability and more money to construction sector to grow. If you give more opportunity, there will be more employment. Viewers, if you are not able to give private jobs, the economy GDP will never be grow. To offer private jobs, it's only an solution. The solution is to give more money to construction sector and create more opportunities in construction sector so that new players can become contractors and builders. If new players comes into existence, more competition can be created and more employment can be generated. Viewers, today on every news channel, the position of various Indian hospitals like LNJB and other hospital conditions are shown. It reflects a lot of money given to health corporation, but they all goes to vain. Officers in health corporation and other hospital bodies not able to utilize government resources in a sustainable and economical manner. So government must take a strict action to improve the conditions of beds and in hospitals so that the condition of our patients can improve. Viewers, those who have GST number, government must give them credit card because credit card growth is goes down than expectation. If there is no credit growth, there will be a no income for businessmen. So government must give credit cards to those who have GST number urgently. Government must do one thing, they can shift the CGST and SGST which is showing in their GST portal to their respective credit cards so that economic condition can grow betterly. But do not forget to implement union budget twice in a year. For viewers, any other query, please do not forget to comment below.